And we're back. Today we got some new product. I guess pretty new. It came out in, I believe, October. We've got 2 hangers of Topps Baseball 2022 Update Series. The word is, this is good product. They're usually loaded with some nice hits. We're gonna open up 2 of them. Let's get into this, see if we can get any good rookies, perhaps. Definitely looking for the Julio Rodriguez, the Jeremy Pena, Spencer Torkelson, Bobby Witt Jr., Hunter Greene would be a nice one, CJ Abrams, Bryson, Stott, and then of course there's plenty others. Those are probably the bigger names though. Let's start with this first one. Just gonna destroy the box, make it nice and easy. All right. Okay, here we go. I see Rich Hill on the top of the first one. There are, I believe, 67 cards in each box here. There's also some legend variation cards that would be nice to pull in this. Roberto Clemente, Willie Mays, to name a couple. Rich Hill, Jock Peterson, Edward Cabrera, nice rookie there. Matt Strom, Tyler Rogers, Joey Wentz, Jordan Luplow, Brad Hand, Adrian Martinez, Marcus Stroman, Jose Trevino. Had a nice year for the Yankees at catcher. Some rookie combos. Opening day, Bronx Bash, Yankees, my boys. Reed Detmer's rookie, Ryan Yarbrough. JP Sears rookie, Fraley, Sergio Romo. Oh, look what we got here. Julio Rodriguez rookie. Rookie debut. That's a nice hit. I will take that. Jerks and Profar. Wander Franco, I should say. Another nice one. All in one box. These are just, base, but Carlos Correa, stars of MLB. Then you got Matt Chapman, Brandon Crawford, Bobby Witt Jr., star of the MLB rookie. That's nice. Hunter Greene, I'd mentioned him from the jump. Generation Now, it's not bad. And a Carlos Correa. That's pretty cool. The 87 throwback design. All right, let's see. Kirby, Smiley, Duggar, Joe Ryan rookie. Alex Dickerson, Roberto Perez, Kyle Schwarber, Maikel Franco, Tyler Anderson. So a lot of rookies, which I'm not going to complain about. Nick Allen rookie. Ohtani, 100 career home runs. That's a pretty cool card. Amir Garrett. Stalin. There's Hunter Greene again. Rookie. Very nice. Chris Archer. Looking all pumped up. And Nick Plummer. All right. So definitely a very nice first pack that I am not going to complain about. Let's get into this second one and see what we can pull on this Friday night. All right. I'm going to kind of rip through these decently quick. If I see anything noteworthy. I will try and hold it up, but Luke Williams rookie, Corey Seager. And of course, these are every which way. Alec Thomas, rookie debut. Greene. Jorge Soler. Bobby Witt Jr. rookie. There we go. Another nice one. Cutchin. Carlos Correa base. This one is numbered, so I guess we'll, I don't know if that means it's an autograph or what, but we'll kind of save those for the end. Tyler Anderson, John Gray, Ottavino, Luke Voigt in a Padres uniform, Ian Kennedy, Archie Bradley with the beard, Loaizaga, New York Yankee, great reliever. Royce Lewis rookie, Freddie Freeman, Nestor, nasty Nestor, Kyle Bradish, Javier Baez, Reese McGuire, Cechek, I should say. All right, we got a Carlos Rodon. Let's pull it like this, just like the Correa that we got earlier. I see a Mookie Betts. Ooh, that's nice. I think this is black and gold. That's nice. It's another nice one. Seiya Suzuki, Stars of MLB. Brandon Marsh, Stars of MLB. Julio Urias, it's like a nice one. Alec Thomas. And it was not a rookie card. Max Scherzer, Stars of MLB, and this is like a chrome type version. It's a little thicker stock. But this is a gold numbered Connor Pilkington for the Cleveland Guardians. I did not say Indians. All right, nice little card there. So let's take a look at some of the hits real quick. Bobby Witt, Hunter Greene. The Tony's pretty nice. There's another Hunter Greene insert. Bobby Witt again in an insert. And then we got the Franco and the Julio Rodriguez. Definitely some nice little pulls there. Nothing worth, crazy money or anything, but the Mookie Betts, and then we got the Rodon, the newest Yankee, by the way, and the Correa in the 87 border throwback insert. And then the Correa Stars. I like that one. So quite a few different Stars of MLB as well, as you can see. So some rookies in there. All right, so not too bad. I'm not going to complain about this product. Definitely happy with what I got. Until next time, hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and please do subscribe, and we shall see you again soon.